What's up, everybody? This is Investing Sensei here to bring you week 22 of the portfolio update. Before we get started, I just want to let you guys know this video is for entertainment purposes only, so I'll leave the full disclaimer in the description below. Alright, so I have the agenda here, and we're going to first talk about how much money I invested this past week, and then we'll jump over to the M1 platform and then look at what the portfolio is doing, what the value of it is. And then we'll jump into the activities to see what we got paid as dividends, anything that I bought, anything that I sold. And then we actually do have some declared dividends, so we're going to jump over to that as well. So let's go ahead and get started with the amount that I added this week. So on March 12th, I added $1,000, and this is a combination of my job payment and as well as some of my savings that I have. So I had about 20 to 25% of my allocation of the portfolio value just in cash. So I've been starting to slowly add that and, trying to buy the dip. And I'm trying to do the dollar cost averaging. I'm not trying to buy everything immediately because, it could get worse. And I just want to take that opportunity over time. And yeah, anyways, guys, here. So that $1,000 that we added brings us up to $71,401.84 of the total money that we've invested personally. And so that's really awesome. We're going to continue adding more this week that comes. It just depends on how the market's doing. But yeah, let's go on to look at what the portfolio is doing. All right, guys. So here's the portfolio value. If we go over here to the graph real quick, and from the last update, we were at $88,420. And so you can see throughout the week, it dipped down, then went back up to 86. Then it dipped down all the way to $74,000 that we, the whole value of the portfolio. And then finally, on the 13th or so and 15th, it went back up to 81,000. So the value of the portfolio right now is at $81,684.37. That's actually a loss of $6,735. That is just capital appreciation. We still have the same number of shares, and actually here, let me pull up the holdings real quick. So we have so much in the red right now, and if I scroll all the way to the bottom, actually, you'll see that we have $74,000. That's money invested. This includes dividends as well, and the total value of it is the $81,000. This is $7,678 in just capital appreciation, so that's about 10%. We were up in like the 30%, just capital appreciation, but that doesn't matter to us because we're still getting those dividends, and we still own, for example, Nvidia. We still own 42 shares of Nvidia, no matter what the price is. Microsoft, we own 63. AT&T, $136, even though it's been going down a bit. And it just makes great opportunities to buy more. But yeah, so if we go over here to the red, you can see that EPR Property, Cedar Fair, these all have been hit big time. Boeing, Disney has gone down a lot. Cisco, Wells Fargo, Broadcom as well. Simon Properties, Visa, I'm going to be buying some more. All these great companies that I'm going to, continue to add more money as it goes. And, people are just panicking. It's the time to take a great opportunity to add more to your position, because long term they will recover and they will continue to pay those dividends over time. But anyways, guys, let's go and head over to the activities. All right, guys, so we're here in the activities, and there's something I want to point out, and I want to get the point across. So I have it filtered out by March 8th, which is from last Sunday, and I have it filtered out by only dividends. So if you guys look at all these dividends we just got this past week, the market's been volatile. It dropped all, the portfolio value dropped all the way to like the 70s, and then it went back up, and then now it's going back down. We'll see what happens this coming week. But look at how many dividends we made just in this past week. We made about $75 just in pure dividends. And if you guys look up here, remember I deposited $1,000. I did buy some shares, and we still have plenty of money. So $75 that we're going to reinvest and buy more shares. This is what's so amazing about dividend investing. You don't care about the capital appreciation. You will get some over the long term, but right now that the market's down and you saw all those holdings that we have in this portfolio and it's all in the red, it's just making us get really good discounts at these companies that, we can add more positions. So like Visa, if I wanted to buy one share, I had to spend about $200. Now I only need to pay about $160. So I'm saving about $40, and I can buy those extra $40. I can buy some more Visa on that. So I'm basically able to add more shares at a cheaper discount. But anyways, let me go ahead and undo this filter so we can go to the activities, the real activities. Alright guys, so I undid the dividends and we are on, March 8th. And if we go to the bottom, on March 9th, I did one buy of $24, which was just dividends that I got. So I bought $24 of JP Morgan. I added some more shares on that. March 10th, Johnson & Johnson paid us $6.69. And then United Technologies paid us $3.77. And then on March 11th, Northrop paid us $1.20. So it was really good. Then March 11th, I did one buy. We bought $10 worth of Disney. And actually here, let me show you this real quick. You'll see that Disney dropped to, we were able to buy it at $106 per share. So we were able to buy quite a bit just for $10. And remember, it used to be like in the 150s. So right now is the good time to buy. And then on March 12th, Microsoft paid us $32.04 just in dividends. On that same day, we got $27.56 from 3M. So this is what's really awesome. The market was all volatile and we're still getting these dividends pouring in. And then, March 12th as well, I did deposit the $1,000 that you guys saw from the sheet. And then, same day as well, I did start purchasing some. So I did 11 buys. I've spent $561. We bought some Broadcom, JP Morgan, Cisco, Disney, Visa, AT&T, 3M, Bank of America, Microsoft, Starbucks, Wells Fargo. So, I'm slowly averaging down into these companies. There are a couple companies that I do want to add a lot more money than some. So you'll see those throughout the weeks. But yeah, so on March 13th, Realty Income paid us $3.98. So now we're able to buy more shares. And then on March 13th, we did 8 buys and we spent $140. So if we click on this, we bought some Cisco, AT&T, Disney, Broadcom, Microsoft, Starbucks, Visa, and 3M. And like if we click on Disney, look at how cheap we got it at $98 a share. So we were able to buy 0.3 shares, which is really good. And that wraps up the activities, guys. So let's head over to the declared dividends. Alright guys, so we're at the emails and it looks like we have 3 declared dividends. So we have Microsoft, Broadcom, and American Towers. So let's go ahead and go over to Microsoft. Alright guys, so Microsoft declares 51 cents per share quarterly and they will be paying out June 11th and then the ex-dividend date's May 20th. So that wraps up that one. Let's go ahead and go over to the next one. Alright guys, and the next one is Broadcom. They declare $3.25 per share quarterly and they will be paying out March 31st and then the ex-dividend date's March 20th. So we can still add some more to these and we will be getting that dividend on March 31st. And then let's pull up the last one, American Towers. Alright guys, so American Towers declares $1.08 per share quarterly. That's a 6.9% increase from the prior dividend of $1.01. So this is really awesome. We just got almost a 7% raise on our amount of dividends that we make from this company. And we didn't do anything. The market's being all volatile. Man, dividend investing is awesome. And they will be paying out April 29th. And then the ex-dividend date's April 13th. So, if American Tower continues to go down, I'm going to be adding some more positions to that. We just got a 7% increase. How awesome is that? But anyways, guys, this actually wraps up the video. Hopefully you guys are doing well with your portfolios and, just invest for the long term and don't sell out just because of the panic. They will recover over time, especially if you're in dividend investing. You see how awesome it feels. You know, you're still getting those dividends. And yeah, guys, so take care, be careful out there, and I will catch you guys in the next video. So take care, bye.